This is a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a rear-view camera, a sunroof, cooled seats, traction control and stability control systems, a DVD player, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, Bluetooth cell phone integration, cruise control, active fuel management, trailer wiring, fog lamps, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, steering wheel mounted controls, and this vehicle has less than 21,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Thank you for considering Isringhausen Imports for your next new or pre-owned luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located in downtown Springfield at 229 East Jefferson. We look forward to serving you.